Okay. I cut some pieces up and got them for my block I'll be using. It's a sponge. Really love it. And yeah, that's what we're gonna go with. So spray bottle here. This is water, bottled water. And it ain't alcohol, it's just bottled water. I'm gonna use it here. So let's get started. Okay, this is an initial sanding. I didn't get much dirt in this paint. Got some here, there. They far and few between, but not much dirt whatsoever. Of course, it has to look like this when I'm done. But yeah, I didn't get much dirt. We'll get all that out. Yeah, I'm working. Done. Got to go over the fine spots with a smaller size block or sponge that I got, not using the normal size block that I did the car with, but pretty much done. Gonna do the fine, like I said, the fine spots with my hand, like the smaller details, but I'm not gonna do under the hood. I'm gonna mask it off really good, because that's, you can see, that's so beautiful. Or I'm not gonna do around the windshield. That is already like glass. My one and only issue I encountered that's bothering me, and although I didn't use the DA or orbital sander, I encountered one issue back here by the license plate, and I was going, maybe I was listening to the music a little bit too much and kind of jamming, so I just was in that flow, and I got a burn through right here. It was eating me alive. Right here. One spot out of everything I've done, and being extra careful, got a burn through right here by hand. 600 grit. This is what I'm using. So that's eating me alive right there, but do what it takes to fix it. The right way to fix it. So I'm gonna wipe the car down, and like I said, all the fine spots I'm kind of gonna do by just a small tiny bit of in my hand. I'm gonna make a small little pad and put a piece of 600 on it and take my time with it now, being even extra careful than that. But yeah, let me wipe it down now. I just want to show you guys. I guess 85% done. Still got around the trim and all that. I'm not that experienced with the DA like that, so I have to do it by hand. I didn't want to risk burning through any other thing, trying to go the fast route, and I'm perfectly fine with this. I'm passionate about my work. I'm passionate about working. I love to work, so this is fun to me. I got the music jamming, and I'm just going. For what I'm doing, was pretty much done. I kept going over spots. So let me wipe it down, and yeah, we're gonna continue to get all the spots that I missed. to go. Gonna put some plastic on these windows. I don't know why I do those like that. Just gonna cover those windows up without removing that plastic on, with nothing flaking off. So we'll put some plastic over that as well as this, like I did at the front already. So we gotta cover this window up. But yeah, we're flat. I'm gonna be using this. Start masking underneath.